Now we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the default case in switch statements. We create a simple example, but first let us create the switch. So we use that keyword, regular brackets, inside is the expression, then curly brackets, then we have a case, let's say x. Then the colon, and here should be the code to be executed if case x is true. Let us define, for example, a day, make that our variable, so let day, I set it equal to Monday. It's a string, so we shouldn't forget the quotation marks. We use the day as our expression, then we check the case if it's Monday. Here again we need the quotation marks. If it is Monday, we want to have that printed out. Document.write, today is Monday. And here it already is. So the setup is correct. Always check the day. And then we have different cases. For days, we should have 7. Make that Tuesday. Tuesday is not defined, so it's going to vanish here. We need a new case for that. After the first case, Monday, we should add a break. Then the next case, I'll make that Tuesday. And now document.write should be today is Tuesday. After it makes sense to add another break. And now this displayed, and the Monday should still run. But if I make that Saturday, we make that Saturday, and I make the first case Saturday and the second Sunday. So I want to check the weekend days. Let's check both examples. Here's the Saturday. In case it is Sunday, it's also printed out. And now we'll define a default case for all the other days. So we simply write default, colon. We don't have to check if day has a certain value because this is the default. So when it doesn't have the value of Saturday or Sunday, we want to display today is a weekday. Let me add a break here too. If I change this to Monday, we now have a default case, so Saturday isn't true, Sunday isn't true either, therefore the default case is true. Here again, Saturday works, let me change that to Friday, we've got the default case. So whenever the defined cases aren't true, the default case automatically is true and never the code inside is executed. So in many cases you want to use that in your switch statements. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.